IDubs is held. Want that FBI. Which is what? 526? Be 525 call for SPY.
Those last $7 from August 5th, 2024. For that April. What the TSO what? Oh, also.
At yesterday's highs here. Q's at NFP highs. Through vol QD up here. Vol D here, tick in the middle. Everything looks bullish-ish. Yeah. I bought MSTZ
Good morning,
at
Deontay.
6666.
Oof.
Little rejecty.
NFP high.
Weird.
On the
Stream
Q.
failed to start. Jesse, can you stream? I'm gonna take mine down. For whatever reason, they can't see mine.
Yeah. I can see yours for what it's worth.
I mean, some can, but some cannot.
No problem. Where am I?
Still going? Yeah.
All right, so this pullback,
Morning,
if
Manny.
it is a higher low, I think it's viable for today. Don't see it stopping yet. When is it gonna stop? If it does, I'd look at 520s ish. Just a pre-market high, 520 spot 28. Could be a short to then. Tick coming in at 0. Pretty close. Opening at positive 1500. Still like Coke.
scalp different points down, combine them to most likely. Very much.
I can do 480 puts now on spy condors.
Oh no, shoot me.
But do 5 calls. Oh. Super wild how like sometimes mine won't, sometimes it will.
Mentioning your phone has disconnected. Pissed off Microsoft this morning. Yes, ma'am. That SID I was mentioning earlier, the top of that, it's 5235. So, and I was looking up the longest inside day streak. 1982 was the longest inside day streak at 11. Yeah, that was Fabergans' birthday. We talked actually 30. It was his 35th birthday. That's an inside day. That's an inside day from that 90 day, right? That big ass 12% candle. Yeah, staying inside of that. I think we're gonna break that 11 really easily. Terrafaw's day. Shopify. I am adding to our $85 call. Oh, Evil is halted there for a little bit. What's that stock been doing today? With downside or upside? It's up, but now it's upside. Yeah. Ooh, IWF down. What a wild ticker. Didn't get to my 187.10. Oh. Hoods 5% up. Robinhood 43. Where's that? 43 is on the y-axis.
Let's execute.
Yeah, that's below last week's high.
At 195.
It's pretty inside. Robinhood, you got a little gap. 43.20 to 44.
Microsoft not pushing up with the rest of them.
I'm looking at it's all kind of like, oh shit.
What are the
Damage my entry.
internals?
I was doing those fucking condors just now.
Internals are green on vol.
Yeah, they're green across the board. This should pop. Thinking about this 525 call for Spoos. It's in at about $1, just over $1 now. Sitting at yesterday's high though. A little cautious.
Why are you looking at the 525s? Genuine question. Why are you looking at the 525s and not the 527s with this NFP?
Because I want to be in the money.
Gotcha.
All right, I gotta enter this. Its stop is at 521.
I'm probably gonna take it on futures and maybe options. Just triggered 2 and 2 up, or I guess 2-2. 2-2 rev.
Yeah, it's a little skeechy spot here, but the internals support it. It'll be a quick stop out, but this IV is still high, so like 30 VIX. I want to be able to get at the money. It's $5 away.
Yeah. I'm taking NQs here, 51 flat with a 50-point stop. Ooh, I almost said the wrong way. 18, 251.
Forecast -7 to -6 there.
Careful here this high day.
Purchase by his CEO, $208,000 Cersei spike in activity, COSM. All right, this next one is extreme high risk. I'm doing Tesla, $400 call, June 20th.
First trim on Qs will be 76.
The price is paid in that over 5.5%. $5.37. If we were kind of looking, yeah, I saw you were pledging Tesla June whatever 20th call 400. Sell it to me. I'll take 125 of them. If it's above that, I'll take 400 price. I don't care. SPEV split, average hold it down when I started purchasing my company. Down about 13%. This AI ain't catching shit. Yeah, that sounds a little rough.
It's at the highs, man. Come on.
I'm extremely bullish. All the way to the top of it. Simple as I think the start of this week of inflation, I think we're going to end up closing this piece.
Don't dippy too hard. I really kind of wanted to see that press through that just now. I'll give it a second, but
Yeah. I'm feeling the
I've
same.
been so bearish for so long. I'm like, it should have popped. It should have done it right there. But I'll give it another shot.
Got some divergence here between ES and NQ, unless it pops.
All right, I think we're gonna get it. I'm not super bullish for all this other shenanigans.
Yeah.
Don't listen to these faces, guys. They're fucking stupid. 400 calls on testing. Get out of here.
Would you consider Microsoft longs for like a
Yeah.
lagging play?
I like Amazon, but I would consider Microsoft and Google. Look at Google's. That's a little bit more stable.
Why don't I have Google here?
Dell.
Oh, it's because Google looks a lot like Amazon most of the time to me.
Yeah. Oak is my new IBM, isn't it? Goog's just now getting over pre-market high. 149. Actually, that's not bad. What's a 150? I can get it as it's crossing through. I might get a little oomph. Mother, what the fuck? No. No. It's because they have earnings this week. Oh,
All right, I should have gotten fill.
$4.60.
No fill yet.
Get out of here.
Stingy lads.
Vita, gonna try. Okay, Google's off the fucking map. That shit's got earnings. I'm not fucking touching that. That's stupid. Sorry. Don't look at that thing. I am kind of pulling back. Oh, there's the pullback. Thanks. Back to break even.
All right, I'm closing in queue. That was.
Wait, I'm gonna buy it. Buy it right here.
You've got me until this goes 2 down.
It's not. Bitch, I fucking missed the entry. I was in a fucking, oh god, fucking whatever, dude. Added. Look at it. Look at it. Look. It was almost like a near perfect zero tag. And bounce.
All right, there's the
There you go.
25 points.
There you go.
Back to back. Very big candles on the 1 minute.
It was on you high. Yeah.
Break even on NQ. Actually, I'll pull it up to that previous 1 minute low.
The Feds are still rolling off the balance sheet, but liquidity is sticky due to RRP drawdowns. So if the dollar weakens, you'll stabilize equities float on excess reserves, right? So keep an eye on that.
I couldn't tell. Did Mikey say it's a swing short? I think it sounded like that, right?
Yeah.
It sounded like that's what he said. I'm feeling long today, swing short over. Back to the starting point.
More than a double miss.
What data are we talking about? Oh yeah, Richmond Fed, sure. Yeah, it's negative 13. It's one of however many Feds, but yeah.
Stagflation, you got to mark everything up.
I'm in for the long today. Swing short overnight, baby. Let's ride. Let's ride.
Yeah, as of right now, I'm long as well, unless structure breaks. But I'm just trying to explain to everyone why that data was bad, what it actually means. So if we are going to continue running, the only reason why that's going to happen, as I mentioned, is simply because of the dealer hedging here, the strikes that I mentioned for Sports 5.
We have a 2-year note auction today in a little bit, a couple hours, I believe, as well. And then Crash Kari this afternoon. Yeah, I would actually watch that one today. To that point, I think every Fed auction, every bond auction is going to be important now.
Yeah, every single one, even if it's a 1 month auction.
Okay, I don't know about that. 2-year, I think we get the 10-year later too this week. We have 7-year.
Falls right at the previous day high. We're at $50 per contract right now. I'm going to sell fast.
Let's go.
Wow, that's crazy. Do you want to know why? I'm about to call up Meta 520 calls for April 25th.
No, Meta will be great again.
I mean, it's gonna try, but it's got it's got the fucking antitrust, dude. Antitrust lawsuits, I'm gonna just fucking destroy that thing, dude. Sucks. No love on Microsoft though, huh?
About 75 cents away from filling that gap. I still think SPY goes to 524.55.
Where's Garlic? Oh,
Yeah,
no.
go between 5:30 and
How about 526 spot 59? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, we can do that. It's 59. But Mikey wants 69 just for
All right,
for
50
fun.
hit NQ.
We'll give it to him. Trim spot.
That's a big spot in SPY. That short and then flip long on MES. 25 point. On the SPX 30-minute, got a trend line automatically drawn here. We are peaking over that. That's right.
Maze on new highs. Strong new highs. We are watching micro softies.
Sorry, 7250s are almost in the money. Let's go.
Nvidia at 99, having a little trouble. Let's see. iDubbbz cleanest trigger at the moment, but not looking to extend.
It's a lot weaker right here versus line two. You do have ECB's Lagarde speaking right now.
Bidding 90K. Bidding.
Strategy.
You guys love your MSCR. Crack me up.
Let me stay high.
ES was prior day high? Wild. I had that a long time ago in SPY. I'll say a long time. Tick coming in at 0. For the third time today. Every time it's hit 0, it's been like a boom bounce. Instant. No negative ticks so far today.
Are you watching NASDAQ tick?
No.
I was, I guess, slightly negative.
I mean, make what -9. That just happened. So far.
So it manufactures 5.4% year-over-year inflation. When's that gonna hit our CPI and PCE numbers?
I think like 4 years later, right? Oh. Supply chain is slowing. That's what I heard. I don't know. Look at the bounce. It's kind of weak, to be honest, but a bounce nonetheless.
So the prices received
Move.
on Richmond 1.6 in February year-over-year, 265 in April. So a whole percentage point up in 2 months.
Wild.
That's not disinflationary.
Disinflation. That's sketchy. We don't want disinflation.
The only disinflation we got is this
Mm.
plus inflation.
Cues if it bounces up off this 440, would be a bullish bounce or hold. If
I
it
got
does.
stopped on keys.
Actually,
Break even.
about to add again. What's the upside? Would be like 450s. ADR. Holy shit. 460. That's like $20, dude. These fucking ranges are wild.
Reported ES off the previous day high. I just trimmed out something right here.
I think you could let it breach C440, even number, and then when it comes back into it. What I don't want to see is a pin up here. I mean, my condors will love that. Don't get me wrong.
There's that.
No, Mita with the knifer. Why didn't anybody tell me? Son of a bitch.
5235 SPX.
Is it a $5 fucking blink on Mita? Where was Maple when I needed him? Son of a bitch.
He's lacing up his golf shoes. He's putting some new cleats on.
Rude.
I have an intraday trend line breaking down on Mita.
Broken down, but still holding half cap. We're upset Maple, you didn't tell us about the short that you took on Meta. Just like crashed $5 in 10 seconds. You selfish. He just sat there at him the whole time. Didn't tell us. Tick still holding positive. Cumulative tick. Mhm.
Initial reaction on previous day high was good for a short scalp, but I think if there's stuff, continue to buy it up.
But with the gap run, Mita, dude. Whatevs. All right, bullish hold Qs, spoos.
For Meta.
Need to see more Momo. See what the rest of the crew is doing. It's not trading today.
I took MNQ long, 10-minute CBC risk.
Who done it? Who done it?
Me.
Amazon 2 up on the week. No, failed 2 down on the week. My bad. Here. Holding 170. Vita 99. 25. Where are you going? No such thing as a triple top. Holy shamoly.
Maybe at orb high, like breaking day. Might go breaking days, but I feel like maybe SPY sees that
525.
where's that gap though I had?
525. 526.
23.93, yep.
6. 526. Microsofties. Coming up to orb high here. And Vita. You gonna try and go green?
Go breaker 30-point gain, MNQ, I'm gonna sell a quarter.
Nice. Up a Gino on an MNQ. Let's go. Merci beaucoup, mates.
Who's high day? Little blip. Nice A for effort though. So far.
All right, you gave me a Gino. Now I gotta give you a. What are we gonna do?
RTY.
No, I was thinking about that this morning. I see $2.8 million worth of $85 calls for ticker AMD December 18th, 2026.
Gotta see a higher high here on Qs and ES, or else I'm looking short. Apple's already looking short, so is Meta. I might actually take Apple puts, feelers. If it breaks through this like 197.75 level.
If you guys recall, this ticker that I'm about to announce, it was on my list of what type of stocks and specific sectors could outperform in a tariff-driven onshore-centric environment. I posted this on Twitter. I am going to do ticker MP. It's been an absolute beast since I released that list. So ticker MP, I am going to do $30 call swing for January 16th, 2026.
Dude, bearish again? It's 50. You know that.
I can't buy 50 in.
Does it not exist? Yeah.
All right, Apple 190 puts.
Ah.
102. Stops would be either ES or SPY going new high a day.
Right. Here I am thinking about it. Down 14% in the first entry.
Trying to do that the whole year, whether it's the draft, free agency, waiver wire, competition's healthy, you're either going to sink or swim.
There has to be real stress within that locker room and an uncomfortability that if I don't play well enough, my ass will not be on the field playing.
Short this so bad, but it's still so unnecessary.
I think people are sleeping on this guy. He might end up.
The only thing I've done so far since it's open is selling the calls and taking.
No, zero tick again. See if she can bounce again.
I love them where
Negative
it's
tick.
just real
Negative
spirited.
30.
Yeah, Charlie stopped by and talked to you guys.
I'm not stopping this. They're all stopping this. Oh, Jesse's short too. I'm still long. Jesse's short.
You know, everybody's kind
Spaces
of
is stopping. I'm going to if it goes lower, but
don't really take
not
it
yet.
personal. I think they understand, hey, you're going to get challenged on some of these things, and when we go out and leave the room, we can go have dinner together, and you know, and then we're back in the room again, and we're challenging each other.
First time today.
So we're on the clock here at 14 with the Indianapolis Colts. Let's do the 14th pick now for the Indianapolis Colts.
Indianapolis picking number 14 overall.
And so
My Lux price action concepts says this is a bit of a channel up support line right here.
How much
Intraday.
Don't really look at that.
You can't avoid them. I personally have never paid a ton of attention to them. It can give you an idea if you're way low or way high on
5 second.
Wow, this guy, they have got this guy from top. Or hey, where's this guy at? Why don't they have this guy?
Probably the most entertaining thing is these guys change them.
You know it's that 30-second chart. You know it's that 30-second chart. But on a 1 minute, it's right there too. It's right there on the 1 minute.
Scouting process is a marathon. It's not a sprint. We're going to find out information going all the way up to sometimes a couple days before the draft. And there's so much missing information that they don't have. A lot of it's medical, a lot of it's mental, a lot of it's just maybe it's just not a fit for the team.
It's not going to drive whether we pick someone or not.
Carries no weight in our
Spy
eval.
3 minutes.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Probably that to the downside.
This guy's character is off the
Order filled.
Still above
Order filled.
lined up to stop this guy.
Yeah, it's the 3 minute.
Order filled.
I get excited every year.
I wouldn't draft him.
Order
I
filled.
probably should go break even at this range
It
low.
gets you so jittery inside Christmas. It's comparable to a degree to like Christmas morning because you're working towards one day. You know, on Christmas you're hoping, hey, I'm gonna. But you never know really what you're gonna get. Sometimes
We work all year for these 3 days. The first round is definitely exciting. Man, as an area scout, like day 2, day 3 is awesome to you because that's really where you make your name.
What are you gonna
Anybody
do?
can scout a first round pick.
Oh no,
A lot of
that's
people
gonna
that
fill the
are lost
gap.
will tell you
Holy
that guy's
bitch!
really good. But who can figure out who's a 6th round pick that can end up being a starter for
If
you?
it goes any lower, it's
I think the biggest thing of
it's
it
another
is just
$2.
the camaraderie, and we're all.
I mean, it's
working
$2.
towards
I
one
fucking
goal,
missed the
one
$7
common
already.
goal. You just
Whatever.
grind and work and kind of narrow it down to slight number of guys you want to draft,
Order filled.
and fit it positionally with where your needs are. It's
It
going to
makes
be
me think more flaggy than anything.
I mean, it's not like it was like a 1,500 positive tick this morning.
Still needs to fill this gap.
Feels like there's more question marks in this draft than ever that we have covered. Now, obviously, you've been around the game a lot
Holy
longer.
meta.
Is that an accurate assessment? I feel like
I
nobody
know,
knows
dude.
what
I'm
else
not
happening. And then
I'm
this
not happy
Derek
about
Carr
it.
news
I
gets
was I
dropped on
should
us
have
within the last few
slapped
days.
that
It
bitch.
adds a whole
God damn
nother
it.
wrinkle.
I mean, you still
That was
could.
my fucking
It looks
my
like.
huge fucking watch.
Makes it a really interesting.
Okay, there's the
draft.
gap
I
fill.
wouldn't say it's rich with first,
I'm
tier
sick,
blue chip
dude.
prospects, but that makes it all the more.
Still lag. No, my shot caught back up. Did it? No. That's like the only name that had an instant red candle down something. Let me tell you what looks terrible. EMD. Acid disappointment. I think as that name, it even looks like it's got the bear flag breakdown right here. Yeah. Walmart, new high today. And the market's not coming down.
Oh my God, fucking meta. Are you
Guys
fucking
did it.
joking?
Walmart.
Oh my God, Mita. There's the gap. The gap is filled.
Break it. Break it. I took some SPX 5185 today.
That would be a hard stop on the spoos if it goes any lower from here. If you're long.
Order filled.
You were going to say it'd be a hard short if it goes any lower.
Yeah.
That's still above opening range high.
Yeah, it is. Basically, that has to be the. That's like entry, stop, whatever. Invalidated below, still valid above.
If you use the 15 or 30-minute orb, that was a great test of that orb high there. And yeah, so if we
Down 20% on meta.
that's
not bad.
I think that's just a long spot.
It's like one of those like
445.
NFP levels or something. DVD. Nonsensical levels, you know. Oh, motherfucking meta, dude.
Let's go MNQ. 2500 on MNQ.
Swear to God, if fucking meta reverses the gap, I'm probably gonna throw up a little bit in my mouth right now. This is disgusting.
I'll be thankful.
Fuck.
GLD, our 380 calls for May 16th are up 9%.
Relative strength here, 21. Does look like it could go for United. He currently needs some WD-40 on his store.
I know. I was like, what? Charlie, you're squeaking.
There goes the gas.
I'll ship him some WD-40.
Appreciate that. You would think the new construction that it wouldn't be squeaking already.
You didn't hear? The new construction's not done. They're coming back for another 2 years.
If we get a green flip on this, from an oscillator perspective, it will be that push to 525 on the SPOOs. It will be that push to like 544s on the Qs. Holding bullish. Filling. So yesterday's session gap, QQQ 445, still there to fill. Weekend session gap on SPY 526.59, 69, still there to fill.
Nice.
That's what we're looking at for today. And then stop. Assuming that we can continue. Weak so far. Amazon, yeah.
I'm always reminded of when I was in elementary school. Michael, motorcycle, turn the key and watch them pee.
I think Amazon leading the pack. I kind of be looking for the rest to follow suit. Very similar too. Oh, silver with a huge stick. Hello, what the fuck? 30.
72.50s in commodity.
Oil is looking great for the reversal on Exxon. I have not seen the Chevron.
That's your third bullish.
This is the second attempt at those highs at 107 for Exxon. Chevron was looking chite yesterday. Let's see what she's doing. She's not looking chite today. Chevron not looking chite today. Looking like a hold. Press. I like a Chevron.
Low day, 30, 50.
It moves a lot of dollars, dude. 40s, 140s, and at 135, 70s. I'm talking to myself and my mental committee here. Chevron could not go lower, must go higher.
Previous day high here on ES.
It's a good tag right there on iDubbbz if you like 2K.
Lower, fill that gap. Should break the upside of the steps on that. Everything's pretty high probability we're gonna take a new high day rigger.
Dun, 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 dun.
Trying to take an orb day. I just stopped out of the SPX.
Bro, we get it back, bro.
Yep, it's all good. It's all good. I'm green on the day still, but futures.
We're gonna fill these weekend gaps, Mapes, and then we're all gonna swing short with you, honey. Don't worry.
What most people don't understand is that when we have a loss like this, we take that loss relatively quickly based on our risk, or based on what.
Is this chair really noisy?
So
Need a new
just
chair.
because we lose doesn't mean we can't get into another ticker and more than make that money back. Then get even higher the profit for the day. So just because one ticker is not performing how you need to doesn't mean you can't make money today. And I think it's people should understand that. Cut your losses quicker. Be patient with your winners, impatient with your losers. I'm very impatient with Meta, but I still haven't cut her. Only down 4% now.
Now that IV broke, we can short it.
My God, Netflix 435%. Jesus.
Netflix.
Find medicine going on that.
QQQ up 22% on those 445s. And that was banging. Okay, bull. It broke that 2969 level.
FMTL, he's gonna have to done. Being well off the highs.
What number is MQI?
We're at 312. 18312.
18312. Okay. Holy shit, I'm up 420 points. Well, that's ironic. It was just 420 spoken. If you got it. I'm smelling.
$145. Oh, come on. Even have a flip. Go. Give me a little more. Little more. All right. Mita can be the upside. She can't fail. Build the gap. Held. Bouncy. I'm looking at 500s. They're 500. That's too much. Ticket 0 again. Spike consistently higher. Cumulative tick. All positive so far. One more bounce. I'm not trimming here.
incoming catalyst except for one, for Oracle. Right? Potential TikTok. I'm seeing extreme abnormal flow for Oracle. So
Meta
expect
calls
volatility in this
500 strike
this week.
550.
Could have positive or negative news that could affect it having a massive
Or
swing upward.
89, 488.
TikTok. That does also
Got from the SPX 5290 calls. 10-minute CBC.
Microsoft breaking our pie here.
Oh, I see you. Hello.
Vita still weak sauce.
Happened to me before.
I might take this little. You get calls, $100 calls, 178.
Regular. All right, I am going to do Oracle.
I think a PM I'm gonna have a flash shut down for Andrew.
I'm gonna take this Nvidia.
You're killing me. Let me disseminate the play first now.
Stop 98.50.
Oracle 132 April 25th.
Right.
Beautiful. Up almost 8K on MNQ.
Trim on those spy calls right here. Hit previous day high right here at 524.55. Where I'm taking
Did you
profit.
say he's up 8,000 on MNQ?
Still see higher though.
They suck out.
Not fill the gap.
That's pretty
This is the
difficult.
press on SPY right here.
I'm closing out Apple. 0.86, 15%.
Long, short.
I'm out short.
Schmapple. I mean, long. 198. Oh, dude. This was literally like 180 something yesterday, wasn't it?
What's that?
Schmapple. 190 yesterday. Good God. $10 move on Apple. That's obscene.
Yeah, quite the gap up today.
Yeah, indeed. There goes your Microsoft. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm in SPOOs 525s. I'm in Meta 500s, and I just took a little nibble on this Nvidia. It's super weak on Nvidia, but if the rest pull it up, I'm looking for a little catch up. But Amazon new high. Let's get a little thin up here. Is it me or did just volume just disappear? Fuckers.
Certainly
Oh,
getting
shit.
a little weak now.
Where you going, Vida?
These
Stop it right there.
pushes upwards on Volcuti are not with a lot of volume.
Mm-mm.
Well, today's pretty trendy, and we had a strong opening tick. Major W for that indicator today. W. I just crossed up 2K on the day. I'm done. Well done. In a day. It's funny because I swung calls and longs. I sold them at the open, and I bought it back so much higher. And but still, it was a buy the dip morning. It's been clear that was the case. Just looking at buy. And mainly looking at the internals as well. I mean, we were talking about Vol D. Vol D has not had a red candle this morning on 5-minute chart. It's been green the entire morning. And big for below EMAs. So now that we broke that,
I'm gonna take an ad.
high, and now there's a 65 minutes. We still pull back into that IB. I think it's a short right here. Yeah. I'm gonna post the stats right now and work on a tweet. What would we get? We got 12 cents from the level. My full target upside for this trade for today was 524.55. I mean, I had that level above it, 526.49. I think that can happen, but this morning,
Spurs, what are you doing? Better stop right there.
I am gonna go put on Q's.
No, wait.
439's
for the
0.96.
that initial balance first hour to fell, and you look for it's gonna be 255 on AQO. Typing up the tweet.
Why am I getting an alert on Disney? What the fuck?
Valid question.
They're now up 5.5. So Tesla's getting hit a lot with calls for May 16th. Someone in the Discord just posted it. I saw the same flow come in yesterday. It's like May 16th.
All right, I'll stop up.
Mm.
Just hit the M&Q long 2-minute EMA wrist.
I just bought some Nvidia calls. I don't know. It's a little catch up, but not looking great, but didn't fail. Nobody talking about this $10 move overnight on Apple? Son of a bitch.
I guess interesting when we get to Thursday. I've got to tell you, like, we're talking Shador Sanders all day on this network. I don't know where Shador Sanders goes. I don't have a certain team raising their hand saying
You gotta buy her when she looks like ass, though.
And that's a prospect
That's the trick.
Constantly. You go name by name, and really there's only 2 blue chip prospects across the board when I talk to these GMs, and that's Abdul Carter and Travis Hunter, and then Ashton Genty's one of those guys, but you wouldn't draft him likely in the top 3. Other than that, it's wide open. And I had a GM tell me
This might be a stop out on puts. Lower low and then a higher high in the same 5-minute candle. Gotta go outside bar.
Come on, Nvidia. Fucking High or low right here. Stop right there and get the back up over. You a son of a biscuit.
Last year, we knew there were quarterback hungry teams. You kind of match with who might go where, and I knew the top 3 was set, 9 days out. We're now 9 days out. Outside of thinking it goes Ward,
$40 on the Mita calls.
Pat, I can tell you with great confidence that I am not alone.
Microsoft yesterday's high here.
Where it goes from there, and really
New high on the day, intraday. Like little channel up on this booze. Just get to the top of the channel. What I don't want to see is like this, like take the whole fucking day to get there. With the 30 VIX, is not gonna be fun. Oh, Nvidia.
Drop the link in the chat. That's what I got, Andre. Cool stuff, man. Very cool stuff. We're gonna pass this back.
Thank you, Eddie. I'll
Do
take
it.
it.
Do it.
I'll
Pop.
take the potato while we wait for
Upski.
pushing
Go.
higher, working on 4 minutes away from our 12th straight 15-minute green bar in the ES.
Hey, coming up here,
Here's a
Jack,
boy.
in about 5 minutes. We got Zero Day J back in the trading combine after losing an Express funded account last week. And Cove Trader up 300 on his Top Step X Express and funded account yesterday. So buckle up in about 5 minutes or so. We're going to have the Bash Brothers joining us here on Fast Markets.
It's the Bash Brothers. Nice. All right, top of the hour in
Here's
4
some bashing
minutes.
music.
Pretty quiet so far. It's up in the right. We've got that little bit of zombie rally going on right now. Again, after the bell, Tesla earnings.
It's gonna hit that 97.80.
That at the buzzer, they will be all over it.
Maybe. Vita stock. Weakest goddamn stock in the fucking market. And I'm trying to long it. Just coming in on the highs one more time. Dude, why is the mouse triggering long for me? Look at CVX. CVX. The mouse is in the house. Holy moly. There it is. There it is. Wow. What's going on with Disney? Why is there a bunch of options on it? Open interest. This fucking doesn't happen. Why? Super short dated too. Good fucking God. And long dated. Jan 2026, 125 calls on Disney, the mouse. Ooh, I fucking love that. I'm taking that.
The mouse.
Taking that.
What is
Disney,
it? Long Disney?
Disney, January 2026, 125.
Oh my.
I'm taking that.
Oh my.
It's the range.
That is the range. That is a good strike.
I'm taking it. I'm fucking taking it.
I'll take it if the weekly goes 2-1-2 up.
I am taking. May's on you high. If I was to do a small account challenge, I would be buying this Disney swing in general. He does $80 con. Halfway there, you can take a safety trim. Pre-market highs here. Spoos, go ahead and do that as well. Ooh, 1,000 tick to the upside. 1,100. Dude, the mouse is moving. Fuck. Wow. Look at the mouse. I know 190 on those 525s. Looking good. Looking good. About
All right.
200 right there.
Closing out these cues. The puts. I gotta go grab the kid from Abby.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a break in a little bit, relocate. You're at 30 minutes at most left in the morning session. Meet filling that fair value almost up to orb high prior day high here on those calls. 650 from 550. If he does green.
Green.
I see 526 and a half. I'm full close on the spoos. The Disney is a swanger. Might be a little aggressive, but IV. I checked IV. It's pretty low. Amazon 173s. Nita Friday high 6, just almost 680. Gonna trim out.
Keep putting pressure. We've seen the buyers keep putting pressure on the sellers that could accept up to the next over at 400 on NQ.
Look at Bitcoin. I mentioned in my macro post was last week. YouTube. Want to read up about it? People look at the top of.
This puts me $100 up on my MSTR ship.
Thank you. Those NVIDIA calls,
Oh shit.
and a 2-day though.
Yeah. Well, I didn't even know Mikey was in NVIDIA calls. I took those a little bit ago. Mita, I grabbed the 500s at 550. I'm about to trim out though. There's my trim. I've not been in like the super swing mode at all, but I had to take a random flyer on a swing. I'm taking a swinger. We shall see. It's on the mouse. Mouse is on the house. Yeah. Like long swing. I mean, long. I mean, like 8 months long. Mhm. Look at this Nvidia catch up. New high Nvidia. Out of nowhere. On use? Yes. Yes. Holy moly.
Alrighty, I'm gonna go grab the kid. I'll be here Thursday.